Hello and welcome to another video. Now, I have been working quite a lot on this bathroom for the last couple of weeks, and it's taking shape nicely. And we're at the point now where I'm ready to board up most of the walls, but there is, still quite a lot of work, but we're getting there. So let's show you what the situation is. We've put tongue and groove on the ceiling and on the side, but this is going to be covered with plasterboard because we changed our plans, so that's fine. Here we've got plywood because this is going to be the shower enclosure, so the shower enclosure is going to be here tiled, and because there is a recess underneath the roof line which is like kind of a waste space, we've decided to do an alcove here, which is going to be comprising a seating area here, which would be within the shower enclosure, because the tray will be coming here, basically here, down here like that. So, and the screen will be basically down this line. So this is going to be the shower enclosure, which will be tiled, and we'll have a slate style seat on it there. So we can basically sit in the shower whilst you're having a shower, which is quite nice. All the walls have been insulated with 10mm thick rock wool, and also the ceiling has been insulated with 200mm or 20cm or 8 inches insulation. And basically here we have space of a bit of a premium here. So what we've done is we'll try to go as far back as we can, because basically if you see on the other video, there's a kind of a staircase style wall here. So this wall here is already recessed compared to the wall from the floor down the first floor, and there's a new set of wall at the back here, which is about 100mm or 10cm back. So we filled that with insulation. And here, because nothing is straight in this room, we'll have a shelf going along that, and it'll be poking out, but obviously it's narrower at this end than it is here, because the wall isn't straight, the roof isn't going the same way, and everything is basically squint. Here it'll be the toilet exit. Here we'll have the window, obviously that'll be all tongue and groove, and we'll have the sink cabinet here, which will be a cabinet, and we'll have it'll be dido rail all along here, and all along here as well, following this line here all the way here. So plasterboard above, and the dido rail and tongue and groove, vertical tongue and groove down here. The door's going to be clean and stripped and painted again. We'll have architrave around the window, the door, and we'll have skirting board running along, and we have a slate style bath shower tray here, and we'll have a kind of a rainfall shower coming down here with a screen here and a screen coming here, and the entrance will be basically here. So that's it.